Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to tag someone in Snapchat story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and you can capture an instant photo from here. Also you can upload a photo from your gallery, but right now I'm going to capturing instant photo. And after that, tap on text and tap @ and enter here the friend or user name whom you want to tag, and select the user and tap on done. And after that, you can change the font style and now tap on send to my story and send. So that's how you can tag someone in Snapchat story. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.